It is a living, breathing symbol of Africa's untamed beauty, a place where the earth still speaks, and where nature walks tall on four mighty legs. Here, at the foot of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's tallest peak watches over a kingdom of giants. Over 1,500 elephants roam freely unchained. They are matriarchs, mothers, guardians, memory keepers of the wild. In Amboseli, you witness the rhythm of life in its purest form, unconfined, unbroken. These elephants are more than animals. The slow, wise steps of an old bull whose tusks scrape the earth, the joyful splash of a baby elephant learning to play in muddy swamps, the quiet rumbles of communication vibrations that travel through the very ground. But in Amboseli, it survives barely, but it survives. For centuries, they have lived beside the wild, because human-wildlife conflict is rising. Respecting the rhythms of nature, walking in harmony with its heartbeat, shrinking swamps, and changing the rules of life in the wild. And this is why Amboseli matters. This harmony is rare. It matters because elephants are in danger. In many parts of the world, such balance is lost, because poaching and habitat loss threaten the very foundation of this sanctuary, and because climate change is drying rivers, community ranges. But it also matters because of hope. Local guides, scientists, young conservationists. Because people are standing up to protect it. Men and women who risk their lives to ensure elephants live theirs. Because of organizations that track elephant movements, plant trees, protect water holes, and fight for corridors where elephants can walk free. Because of schoolchildren who are learning that elephants are not enemies, but national treasures. And because of you, the viewer, who can make a difference by caring, sharing, supporting, and remembering. This silence beneath the roar of Kilimanjaro, it teaches us something rare. When you stand in Amboseli, you don't just see nature, you feel it. You don't just hear the call of the wild, you become part of its story. This place, this soil, that coexistence is possible, that giants can walk alongside people, that when we protect nature, we protect something far greater ourselves. Amboseli is not just Kenya's pride, it is a global inheritance. Let us keep Amboseli wild, free, and forever. And its future depends on all of us. Let us walk with the elephants. Let us honor the land, a language we are still learning to understand. But Amboseli is more than elephants. It is home to countless other species: lions, cheetahs, buffalo, zebras, giraffes, all coexisting in a delicate, ancient balance. Warriors, herders, and stewards of the land. And above the wildlife stands a proud human culture, the Maasai.